Do you know that eating certain nuts can increase your blood pressure and clog your arteries? And even though they may be healthy in general, there are some nuts that we should avoid after 60 years old. But don't worry, because today I will reveal 4 of those nuts, and also the best alternative, nuts that you should consume instead to improve your brain and heart health. In fact, I have selected these alternatives based on scientific studies which show their benefits for seniors like you. For example, did you know that eating walnuts can help you reduce inflammation in your body? Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts can decrease inflammation, which is common in many diseases and conditions as we age. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, older adults who consumed a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids experienced a significant reduction in inflammatory markers such as reactive protein and interleukin-6. Not just that, but omega-3 south also help our brain and heart health, so it is important to include them in our diets. So if you love eating nuts and seeds, then you must watch this video till the end, because it contains important information about which nuts you should avoid after 60. And by the way, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any future videos. The first nut to avoid after 60 is pistachio. Pistachios are often considered a healthy snack option due to their high content of healthy fats, fiber and various nutrients. However, pistachios also contain a significant amount of sodium. On average, 1 ounce of pistachios contains approximately 280 milligrams of sodium. While this may not seem like a lot, it is important to remember that most people consume more than 1 serving of pistachios in one sitting. Additionally, sodium can cause our body to retain water, which can lead to bloating and make us feel less comfortable, especially as we age. Moreover, excessive sodium intake has been linked to high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Therefore, it is recommended to limit sodium intake to 2,300 milligrams per day for most adults. If you are already dealing with high blood pressure or other health conditions, you may need to consume even less sodium. So instead of pistachios, try almonds. Almonds contain magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. They also have vitamin E, which has been shown to support cognitive function and memory. Additionally, almonds contain fiber, which helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and can aid in weight management. The second nut to avoid after 60 is macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet, but they are high in saturated fat. Approximately 28 grams of macadamia nuts contain around 21 grams of fat, with almost 12 grams being saturated fat. Saturated fat can raise LDL cholesterol levels, which can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is particularly concerning for individuals over 60 who may already be at increased risk of heart disease due to other factors such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of heart disease. Furthermore, macadamia nuts are high in calories, with 1 ounce containing around 200 calories. Consuming too many calories from any source, including healthy fats, can lead to weight gain and obesity, which can exacerbate other health problems. So as an alternative, you can try hazelnuts. Contain a compound known as tocopherols, which are a type of vitamin E. These tocopherols have been shown to have a more potent antioxidant effect than regular vitamin. In a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, researchers found that hazelnut consumption improved blood lipid profiles and reduced inflammation in individuals with metabolic syndrome. Hazelnuts are also a good source of fiber, which can help with digestion and help you feel full, potentially aiding in weight management. The third nut to avoid after 60 is Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a highly nutritious food, but they contain high levels of oxalates. Oxalates are compounds that can bind to calcium in the body and form kidney stones. Kidney stones can be extremely painful and can lead to serious complications. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of oxalate intake, especially for individuals who are prone to kidney stones. Approximately 1 ounce of Brazil nuts contains around 97 milligrams of oxalates. It is recommended to limit oxalate intake to 50 milligrams per day to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Also, Brazil nuts are high in calories, with 1 ounce containing around 186 calories. Consuming too many calories can lead to weight gain and obesity, which can increase the risk of developing other health problems such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Instead, try cashews are a good source of magnesium, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. Magnesium is also important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis, which is a common concern for postmenopausal women and older men. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming cashew butter improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation in individuals with metabolic syndrome. Cashews are also a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve blood lipid profiles and reduce the risk of heart disease. The fourth nut to avoid after 60 is peanuts. Peanuts are legumes, not nuts, but they are often grouped together with nuts in culinary applications. They are high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. According to the American Heart Association, saturated fat should make up no more than 6% of daily calories, while cholesterol should be less than 200 milligrams per day. Peanuts are also high in calories, with 1 ounce containing around 164 calories. Consuming too many calories can lead to weight gain and obesity, which can increase the risk of developing other health problems. Instead, try sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E has been shown to support cognitive function and may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and dementia. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of magnesium and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. They are also a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve blood lipid profiles and reduce the risk of heart disease. It is important to note that the ideal diet for an individual may vary based on various factors such as overall health, lifestyle, and dietary preferences. People over 60 may have different nutritional needs and may require more or less of certain nutrients than younger adults. Therefore, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. They can help you develop a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs and helps you achieve your health goals. Now let's talk about some additional tips for incorporating nuts into your diet. You can enjoy nuts in various ways, such as eating them raw, roasted, or salted. However, it is important to choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties to avoid consuming too much sodium. You can add nuts to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for extra flavor and nutrition. Nuts can also be used as a topping for salads, soups, and stir-fries. They can be incorporated into baked goods such as muffins, cakes, and cookies for added texture and nutrients. But remember to use them in moderation. By following these tips and avoiding the nuts that we have discussed, you can enjoy the many health benefits of nuts while minimizing any potential drawbacks. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about healthy eating habits for seniors, then check out my other videos. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Stay healthy and take care.